Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find Duolingo news. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Duolingo app, and after that at the bottom of the screen you can see the last option or last icon. You have to click on that, and there is the news feed with several very interesting blog posts like did you know learning a new language is a cognitive workout. And if you are interested in one of them you have to click on it, and there is this very helpful and very informative blog post about this topic. You can see other topics as well, like brush up on your grammar skills, city sentences equal serious learning, the mystery of the rebel thief, and so on and so forth. So this is really interesting, and you are really a fan of Duolingo, and you want to read some interesting stuff, so you can come here and read some of their news. I hope this video was helpful for you, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.